Hi, my name is Prince Joseph. I am the Chief Information Officer at SFO Technologies. SFO Technologies is the flagship company under the Nest Group. We are based and headquartered in Cochin, but we have factories, outlets, offices pan India, and we serve international market. 80% of what we produce goes as exports to the United States, Europe, and Asia Pacific. So there are two things which I think the easy way to start is we were given an award for setting up a data center which was very specific to an electronics environment. That was something which we thought was quite unique. While we can all talk about standard, cookie cutter type data centers, this one was a little bit more unique with the levels of security, with the levels of integration, visibility, and the way it's designed into the factory itself. That was quite unique, and we were that's something which I'm proud of. Second part is the whole work that we're doing around analytics is quite groundbreaking, and I think it has a very good opportunity to transform what we do, and the benefit is being felt not by IT but by finance, by our supply chain team, by our marketing team, our business development team, and of course the senior management. And while doing all this, I think the third thing is a very careful, studied approach into really determining how we move our workloads and access to the cloud. So slowly we have also increased our footprint there, because to enable all this and to make the information available across, the best place to deliver it through is using cloud technologies and cloud platforms. So we will leverage quite a few of that as well, and that's also another front that we are working on. And I think the North Star for me is, when we are in manufacturing, trying to get our maturity level to be increased so that we are as close to an Industry 4.0 certified enterprise. So that is the target that we are trying to move towards. And there's a lot of things that we're looking to include. And the answer could be, I could keep speaking about this for a couple of hours, but there's a lot of things that we're doing in this space. It's going to be all around modernization of what we have. But modernization is a very generic term at the moment. It could be about an upgrade. It could just mean that it's a newer version of something. But the way I look at modernization is to start from the business process perspective and bring about solutions that match. So not really considering, okay, we use this today, let's go to the next version of ERP, that's an upgrade. Let's move something to the cloud. So my whole approach is going to be with a new hat which looks at modernization of applications, infrastructure, all the tools and technologies that we do, but driven more by a business process approach. That's going to be the key that I would try and look at. So it's going to be a less technical view, but more of a business view is what I would be keen to pursue. The one thing that we can't ignore is the importance given to our cybersecurity posture. There are a lot of technologies that come in which handles various aspects of cybersecurity, because now with IT/OT, threat intel, and email, phishing, ransomware, all those terminologies, there is a need to relook, how we look at that aspect, and that is something which you always keep an eye on. So it does always capture attention, and it is important. Second one is a service that we can leverage from any service provider. That is also something which I'm quite keen on. So hyperscalers, the cloud plus the platform as a service solution providers, these are people that I keep a lookout for, because they help me bring in a lot of a full stack at a minimum effort, at a lower cost, and a lower time to market. So that is of great importance in this time.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.